Thanks very much for this. So let's have a read through. Now that you explained the title, it makes a lot of sense. I really like it. I think you probably mean a short treatise, though, rather than treatises, I imagine. Okay. Not sure why these are in bold, these authors. Maybe it's just for you for later on in terms of referencing. I'm not sure. So rather than repeating the name, I'll just put comma who was a professor. Okay, so you've got a small a there, then capital A there. I prefer small a, to be honest. Whatever you choose, be consistent throughout. I would have a semicolon there. And I put and who came from highly intelligent families. Otherwise, it looks like all of the children came from the same family. I know what you mean here, but I would omit this. I don't think it really adds anything to the assignment. I think you mean wrote Asperger's syndrome, a clinical account. I tend to ask students to avoid we, as it makes the text reader specific. Yeah, I'd love that. Yes, I agree with that as well. So semicolon there as well. Again, semicolon there. Right, so now that you've disclosed about dyslexia, ignore all of my previous comments about grammar. So apologies for that. It might be useful to have a section on terminology, um, at which time you can introduce the term predominant neurotype and then reference it. So I like your narrative so far. Um, Obviously very autobiographical, but also very relevant. So that's fine. Models of disability, yeah, yeah. So all in all, it's looking good. Obviously, there's not a huge amount for me to comment on, but thus far, I'm enjoying it. You're writing well. So really, it's just a case of cracking on and adding a whole bunch of words. If you've got any questions for me, don't hesitate to email me. In the meantime, best of luck with your writing, and I look forward to the final version.